Hello friends, my name is Partnaya. Today I am going to share my knowledge about simplest protocol for noiseless channel. I am from Marward University and studied in computer department. In data communication and networking, we have an active learning assignment in this subject. Simplest protocol for noiseless channels. What is protocol? In information technology, a protocol is the special set of rules that ends point in a telecommunication connection use when they communicate. Protocols specify interaction between the communication entities. What is the purpose of this communication protocol? In telecommunication, a communication protocol is a system of rules that allows two or more entities of a communication system to transmit information via any kind of variation of a physical quantity. Communication systems use well-defined format like protocol for exchanging a various message. Types of protocol. Protocol have two types for a noiseless channel and noisy channel. Today I am going to represent a noiseless channel. Noiseless channel protocol. First, simplest protocol, and second, stop and wait protocol. Simplest protocol, which was I am going to take this for video. Simplest protocol. It has it has no flow or error control. It is a unidirectional protocol in which data frames are traveling in only one direction from the sender to receiver. The data link layer of the receiver immediately removes the header from the frame and hands the data packet to its network layer, which can also accept the packet immediately. Simplest protocol with a no flow or error control. Here, this flow chart, we can show the sender get a data from the network. Data link got physical to the same frame. And data frames immediately grow from the receiver frame and get that data link and deliver the data. We can see algorithm for the sender side they repeat forever, which can we assume that like here sender side algorithm. While this is true, means the repeat forever. Wait for event. मतलब sleep until an event occurs. In if condition event, the request to send is if this is correct, then there is a packet to send and get data and make one frame and send immediately to the sender to receiver, sorry, receiver side algorithm. While this is same as a send, the condition is true, they wait for an event and if arrival notification. Here receiver get a notification, then receive a frame and extract data and deliver in a network layer. For example, it is very simple. The sender send a sequence of frames without even thinking about the receiver. To send the three frames, three events occur at the sender side, and three events at the receiver side. Note that the data frames are shown by a title box. The height of the box defines the transmission time difference between the first bit and the last bit in the frame. Flow diagram of this example. Yes, here you can show. Here you can show the animation of this frame. frame 1, frame 2, and frame 3, 0. You can show 3 or 0, whatever you want. Thank you guys for watching my video for the simplest protocol for noiseless signal. I get a reference from a Forazon book in our studies, and this all credit goes to CD Parmasar, the head of department in EC. Thank you.